Where's you?
Yeah.
You so baby.
It's my birthday party.
Mommy baby lah.
We all selalu buat birthday.
Mommy baby lah.
Lin, it's you. It's really tak. Tengok tu. Gigi tak ada.
Ingatkan baby.
Siapa?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, dulu my grandmother suka lah buat ni. Ya Allah. Masa siapa kahwin hang. Tengok my mom. Her late sister. Auntie Jah semalam.
Oh.
Kat mana? Tok hang. Kemai macam gangster ha.
Wah.
Is that you?
Ya.
So auntie ni emang siapa yang the eldest?
Mestilah mami awak.
Kakak, mommy's the oldest of the siblings.
Six lah.
Angie, rock band.
Itu main banyak rock band dekat rumah.
No, we played more here. Yeah, we played more here. Guys, unintentional thunderbolts tour. Like, I finally got it. I came here 3 times. Show yours, show yours. My mom won tickets to see How to Train Your Dragon live action. So we're here today, and there's like so many people, and I'm so excited. And I'm wearing like a dragon shirt. I love you, Hita. Came here for the F1 blind boxes, and I got one. Hoping it's Ferrari or Mercedes.
Oh, this is like so horrible. We're gonna like.
Anyone is here, give us a
Go to the
sign.
shaky camera.
Oh my god, what was that? What was that? Whoa! Birthday girl.
It's a birthday girl today. Birthday girl.
I can't look.
Wait, this is so cool. I want this camera. Whose camera is this? Okay.
Oh, I should get this. Or Skype or something, but I'm not too. But I'm
This is a.
I want to
This is like a horror documentary, bro. Like, hey. Wait, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Myra. Happy birthday to you. I made the potato salad.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
tired as hell. Just record arguments. It's already recorded.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Ray. Hi, Nana. Hi. Hi, Ginny. So nice.
Where's the balls? Where's the balls?
Who took the ball?
Nah, the ball. Nah.